In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find McDonald's store number online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser or navigate to the McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Next, use the restaurant locator or find a restaurant feature. Enter the city, zip code, postcode, or address of the McDonald's restaurant you are looking for. Select the restaurant from the search results to view its details. Depending on your country or region, you'll be able to see information such as the restaurant's address, phone number, opening hours, available services, and in some cases, the restaurant or store number. If the store number is not displayed on the restaurant's information page, check your digital receipt or auto confirmation email if you have recently placed an order at the location. Many receipts include the restaurant number along with your order details. You can also contact the restaurant directly and ask for its store number. Be sure to have the restaurant's address or location ready so the staff can quickly identify the correct store. And that's it. That's how you can easily find McDonald's store number online using the official website or the McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.